team, we've got an absolutely amazing treat for you and me today. I'm getting to spend the night at the most luxury accommodation in the entire country. So come along with me and I'll show you what it's like to stay at the Airways Hotel and Residences.
The Airways is the most luxury hotel in this whole country, the location that presidents, prime ministers, and even kings stay when they come to Papua New Guinea. When I was traveling here, I had the opportunity to stay at this amazing resort, and I'm going to show you all the great things about being here. So give the video a like, subscribe to the channel, and let's experience a little bit of luxury together. After arriving into Jackson International, I was picked up literally just outside the door, and after a very quick drive, we arrived to the hotel. Check-in was super easy, and the wonderful staff even carried my bags to my room for me.
Alright, ladies and gentlemen, let me give you the room tour. So after coming in through the front door, you've got your wardrobe with complimentary bathrobe on the left hand side. We've got our bathroom through on the right. We've got this absolutely massive bed. We've got a beautiful couch, a little business area, and this gigantic TV. The bathroom's absolutely great. We've got marble bench tops, beautiful towels over there. This absolutely massive shower, your toilet, as well as scales if you want to check out how much you've been eating and drinking. Team, there's also a little coffee nook and mini bar hidden behind the wardrobe door here, with an espresso machine and a milk frother, which is pretty flippin' high end if you ask me. There's also a nice little balcony that I've got in case you want to come sit outside and get some fresh air. All right, let's go check out some of the other places around the resort. Now, I didn't manage to make it here in time, but the Airways offers a select and pretty exclusive retail opportunity here with some local PNG handcrafts, as well as some special gifts and featuring a whole bunch of other brands as well, showcasing some great things out of Papua New Guinea. So you can come and check out and purchase some luxury items down here as well.
Continuing on along the ground floor, you'll find the Seven Seas Cafe, offering a variety of snacks, drinks, and light bites to eat. If you're staying in a room in the Dakota Wing or in one of the suites, you'll get access to the 3 world-class lounges. There's the Touch Lounge on level 1, the Sound Lounge on level 2, and the Sight Lounge on level 3. The Touch Lounge is a games room featuring a full-size snooker table and a beautiful chessboard. The Sound Lounge is on level 2 and is a conversational lounge that provides plenty of seating and a central TV to keep up to date on news. But most importantly, this is where they keep the snacks. From 5 PM daily, the lounge offers complimentary drinks as well as an amazing spread to ensure that you have an amazing space to discuss the events of the day with your friends or to just wind down. The food is also absolutely delicious. The Sight Lounge offers a quiet space and a variety of reading material to keep you entertained while you're staying at the hotel. After you've finished in the lounges, you can go and check out the fitness center.
As a guest at the Airways, you get exclusive access to their world-class health and fitness club.
Overlooking the Owen Stanley Ranges, this modern fitness center has something for everyone, whether you enjoy racket sports, hitting the gym or treadmill, or swimming laps.
There's even an infinity pool here, and it is absolutely wonderful in this baking heat, and the view is wonderful as well.
Once you've worked up an appetite at the gym, the Airways has multiple options for dining, from a quick snack at the KC Deli to lunch looking out at the View Restaurant and Bar, or a fine dining experience at Bacchus. For dinner tonight, I headed to View.
Now there's 4 different options to eat here at the Airways Hotel. But tonight I've come to the View Restaurant and Bar. Beautiful food here, as well as this view. Now guys, you have to check this out. For my dinner tonight, I'm going with an Indian dish, chicken tikka makhani. I'm going myself an iced tea as well because it's a bit hot and I'm ready to cool down. So I'll show you what it's like when they come out. All right, iced tea's here. Let's give it a go. That's a really nice iced tea. It's sweet. You can definitely taste the tea. Bit of lemon there. Yeah, it's really good. You also get a nice little plate of breads with your meal, so cheers team, let's dig in. And now the chicken tikka is out. Now there's papanam, there's some rice, some veggies. So I'm going to dig in and enjoy this. Cheers. That is seriously delicious. Oh, the food here is great. It's creamy. It's got tomato, a little bit of spice, but not too much. It's a seriously good team. Seriously good. Definitely come up to View and try out their food here if you're in Port Moresby. I'm gonna finish up my dinner here, and then I booked myself in at the Bliss Spa for a bit of a massage. So I'll see you down there. That was delicious. I'm absolutely stuffed now. Just have a little bit of time to go and let it all digest before I head on over to the Bliss Spa for my massage. Bliss Spa has been the winner of World Luxury Spa every year since 2013, and it's the most high-end spa in all of Papua New Guinea, and tonight I'm treating myself to a massage, so let's take you along for the ride. All right, let's get ready for this massage. All right, I'm gonna start with little foot soak. I'm not gonna film this all, guys, so I'm gonna sit back, I'm gonna enjoy it and tell you how it is at the end, so see you in a little bit. Oh boy, that was a really, really good massage. Definitely world class. I'm feeling very, very relaxed. I'm gonna head back to my room now, have a shower and get ready for bed. All right, see you there.
After the massage, I got a little fruit platter and some ginger tea, which is a really nice way to end the very relaxing experience.
Team, one of the great things about us staying in a luxury hotel is the turn downs, and that definitely happens here. So they've turned the lights down, they've pulled the bed down, turned it down, and I've got some water as well as a little chocolate as a bedtime treat. Well team, I'm showered, I'm full, I'm relaxed after my massage, so I'm gonna enjoy my little snack that they've left at the turn down, and then I'm gonna head to bed and I'll see you in the morning. All right, good night.
Good morning, team. Unfortunately, I don't have much time here this morning. I've got to head on over to the airport for a very early flight. So I'm going to get ready for the day and then I'm going to head up to breakfast and I'll take you along for that. Alrighty, so I'm back at the View restaurant here. That's where the complimentary breakfast is served up. So I've got a bit of a buffet here, so I'm going to dig in and enjoy that. Now team, unfortunately that's all of the time I have here. It was beautiful. I would definitely recommend, if you can, staying longer and experiencing more of this wonderful luxury resort. If you enjoyed the video, give it a like, subscribe to the channel. It does really help us out, and I'll see you in the next one.